Hello guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Ginger Look, okay? And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform my short hair into this long, beautiful, natural hair look you're looking at right now. So if you want to see how I transform this, please keep watching. We're going to dive into the video right now, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that, and let's dive into the video. So let the transformation begin. You won't believe I've had this hair on for over 3 weeks. So if you've not watched the previous video while I was installing the extension in between my hair, I'll be linking the video somewhere, maybe in the description section, or I'm just going to tag it somewhere up there, so you can just click on it and then watch the video if you want to install the extension in between your hairs. So if your hair is naturally long, you can just style it the way I did and it will come out so beautiful as well. But if your hair is not long, it's as short as mine, and you want this full transformation, you might need to watch the previous video for you to know how to install the extension in between the hair before washing this to be able to style the hair. And installing the extension in between the hair, it takes maybe like 20 minutes for you to do that. And to style the hair, just to style the hair, it doesn't take longer. So it takes like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, but 10 minutes max. So you should be able to style the hair. And if your hair is a little bit softer than mine, then it will be much quicker, because I actually style the front part of the hair like twice, just because my natural hair is very strong. If you've been following me for a very long time, you've been watching my tutorials, you will know that my natural hair is very strong and it can actually break comb. It can break comb. It's very, very strong. So if your hair is soft or relaxed, it will be easier for you to like just style it quickly. So because my natural hair is thick and strong, that's the reason why I actually style the front hair like twice, so that the hair can actually fit into the extension. This is Sunday morning. I'm set, ready to go to church, and then I said, you know what, while I'm styling my hair, why don't I just film it for you guys who have watched the previous video when I was installing the extension in between the hair, that you might just be interested in watching this. That's the reason for this video. Immediately I stepped into church, all I was getting was compliments about my hair. And all I was hearing was, how long have you kept this hair for you to be able to grow it this long? We never knew your hair is this long. Wow, your hair looks so beautiful. It's so nice. They were standing just next to me and they were not able to tell if this was an extension. And all I was doing throughout the service was smiling. And come to think of it, I was actually happy about it, because I was happy that I actually filmed this video for you guys to watch, just to make sure you're able to style the hair in different ways, most especially for people who have watched the previous video when I was actually installing the extension in between the hair. So you will know that you don't have to just pack the hair or ponytail all the time. You can actually change the style and pack it different way. I've been carrying this hair for I've had this hair on for like 3 weeks. Yes, or more than, and it's been compliments all the way. Anywhere I style it, I get compliments. It's very difficult for one to tell if it was an extension on the hair. It's very, very difficult, and it came out really, really beautiful, guys. So you could see rain of dandruff flying out of my hair. If you have any idea of any dandruff treatment you're using that's worked for you, please drop a comment in the comment section below. I would like to give it a try. So what I'm doing is straightening my natural hair into the extension, just to make sure that the natural hair look a little bit silky, and it easily blend into the extension that I'm going to be packing into a ponytail. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So just like I've done on the other side, I'm still going to do it on this other side, just to make sure that the hair actually blend properly into the extension, and to make sure that the hair look a little bit stretchy, so it can easily blend into the extension. I'm just going to do that all around the hair on the ponytail area. If you've watched this extent and you think you love the video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. But if you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. But if you do like the style, please give it a thumbs up and drop your comment. Let's know what you think about it. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you find your way to the end of this video, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. So I'm just going to put that in just to make sure that the hair comes out, the volume looks big. So that's what I'm doing. So if you want, you can use the smaller one, but the size I'm using right now is about the biggest size of the nut board. Is that what they call it? Nut bowl or something like that. If you know what the name is, please drop a comment in the comment section below. But previously I've actually used a smaller one, but right now I just want it to look a little bit bigger than what I used to have on. That's the reason why I'm using the big one right now. So I'm just going to quickly style the front hair one more time. Again, because my hair is very thick, just like I said previously. And secondly, just to make sure I'm melting all those natural hair flyaway into the extension. So I'm just going to quickly style my edges. I'm not going to do much because I actually want this hairstyle to look as natural as possible. So if you've been watching my hair tutorials for some time now, you will notice I always use this hair wash. It's the only gel that can lay my edges flat all day. I love this wash so much. So if your hair is thick, you have a natural hair that is very thick, seriously try this wash. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. It holds very well. So guys, this is the end look of this natural hair tutorial. Look at how beautiful it came out. So this will be all for the natural hairstyle tutorial. If you don't love this video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit on the subscribe button before you leave the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.